Ready to turn those unused event tickets into cash? First, head over to Viagogo and sign into your account, or create one if you're new to the platform. This is where you'll manage all your listings and sales. Next, click on the prominent Sell Tickets button, usually found at the top of the page. This will take you to the listing creation area. Now, search for the specific event you're selling tickets for. Be precise with the date, time, and venue to ensure accuracy. Enter all the necessary ticket details, the number of tickets you're selling, the section, route, and exact seat numbers. Accuracy here is key to avoid issues later. Set your price per ticket. Viagogo may suggest a price range based on demand. You can adjust this based on what you believe is fair market value. Choose your preferred delivery method. Electronic transfer is usually the fastest, but you might also have the option to mail the tickets or arrange for local pickup. Finally, review all the information carefully, and if everything looks correct, click the List Tickets button to make your tickets available for purchase on Viagogo. Congrats, you're done.